This is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm doing another car vlog, just chatting it up with everyone. I've been using the Galaxy Z Fold 3 for about 6 weeks now, and I just want to give everyone an update. Actually, I wasn't gonna make this video. This video is like a rebuttal to one of my best friends on YouTube, BG Tech Life. He did a review of the Z Fold 3, and it just had me thinking of some things. And I'm gonna just give you my experiences with it. Do I use this as my daily driver? Yes. I actually put my SIM card back in it coming from the iPhone 13. If y'all haven't seen my videos on that phone, go ahead and go to my channel and look for iPhone 13 videos. I did a few on there. But I put my SIM card back into the Fold 3. When I was using the iPhone daily, I really did miss the Fold. But in his video, he mentioned one of the things that was a negative or something that would defer you from getting this phone is the price of the phone. Which, you know, on Samsung's website, it is $1,799. But to that point, how many people actually paid $1,799 for this phone? And let's think about what you get for that price. Now, for me, I traded in another phone, getting bill credit, so I'm not going to pay $17.99. I'm gonna pay $800 when it comes down to it for a phone that folds into a tablet. Now, if you paid $1,800, y'all let me know in the comments, do you think this is valued for $1,800? Now, also, can the price really be used as a negative for the phone when its predecessor was at like $2,000? They did some changes to the phone, made the hinges better, made a bigger screen, got better cameras on there as far as the design. How can the price be a negative for this phone? It folds into, you get two devices in one. You get a phone and then you get a mini tablet. So if I bought a regular phone, say a Samsung Galaxy S21 and then a mini tablet, I'm gonna pay a lot of money for those. Or if I buy an iPhone and an iPad, I'm gonna pay a lot of money for those. I don't know. I don't know if I can say the price is a negative thing for this phone. Is it priced too damn high, like Flossie Carter would say? I mean, they're probably making a few $100 on each phone that they sell, probably. So, I mean, yeah, I don't know. I think it's valued. I love it. It's great. The display is beautiful. The cameras do a really good job. People hate on the cameras, but the cameras actually do a really good job. And just think about it. It folds. It opens and folds to a tablet like name any other phone. The Duo is two screens with a hinge. My V60, which was a great phone, by the way, was two phones divided by, it was a phone put into a case. The Velvet, same thing. The Exxon M was one of the ugliest phones ever. Two screens with a hinge. Come on now. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about, can you really use the price as a negative on this phone? I really don't think so. Again, just to recap, the phone itself, using it as a phone is great. I can hear on the speakers, I can hear everybody text messaging. You open it up, you have a big room to actually read text and see them. Writing emails, you open it up, it's thing. The only complaint I have was the smaller front screen, which, believe it or not, is definitely becoming easier and easier to use. every time. I just want to discuss the battery life next. The battery life is pretty good. Not gonna lie, it's not as great as you think it should be, and probably could be a little bit better, but it definitely has gotten better over time, especially compared to when it was the, you know, first time that I was using a phone. It's definitely better than that, so that's a good thing too. I don't want to make this video too long because it's getting long as it is, but I just wanted to have a little discussion, give y'all an update. You know, I've been using it for, like I said, 6 weeks now, and I'm really enjoying this phone. Look at the construction on this side of town. San Antonio is growing so fast, y'all, that we got to keep on, you know, winding the streets and doing everything else. Like, we don't have enough highways to handle all the traffic, but I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Fold. If you have it, let me know. If you don't have it, what made you not get it? If you're a Z Flip owner, let me know that too, because the Z Flip owners always make fun of us, you know, because they say, oh, we protect the Fold 3, but come on, y'all have the little phone that looks like a little purse or a little makeup compact thing that folds into a phone. So y'all let me know. I don't know if the price can be a negative for the phone. I mean, if you don't have the money, you don't have the money. Or if you don't have a phone to trade in, then you don't have a phone to trade in. But I think for what you get with the Fold 3, it's really not a negative. Speaker's great. Battery life, yeah, it could be better. Cameras are really good. The 7.6 inch screen, 120 hertz refresh rate when you open it up. Come on now. Pen support, everything that this phone has going. I'm not gonna make the video too much longer, y'all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and any other new phone coming out. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Fords Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.